Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of B as in bat. Now we will see some of the examples. B says B as in bag. B says B as in bike. B says B as in ball. B says B as in beer. B says B as in bed. B says B as in bat. B says B as in cab. B says B as in club. B says B as in crab. B says B as in crib. B says B as in cup. B says B as in lap. Now we will see the initial position. B says B as in bag. B, B, bag. B says B as in bike. B, B, bike. B says B as in ball. B, B, ball. B says B as in beer. B, B, beer. B says B as in bed. B, B, bed. B says B as in bat. B, B, bat. Final position. B says B as in cab. B, B, cab. B says B as in club. B, B, club. B says B as in crab. B, B, crab. B says B as in crib. B, B, crib. B says B as in cup. B, B, cup. B says B as in lab. B, B, lab.